Put this on your chin. Put this on your chin. Put this on your chin.
It's on my chin.
Put this on your chin.
It's on my chin.
Put this on your chin.
There.
No, put it on your chin. Put this on your chin.
Oh, on my chin. Okay. Ah!
After the tone.
Hey babe, I know you're at work, but I just wanted to tell you that I love you so much. I hope you're having a great day. Mwah.
To hear your message, press 7.
Hey babe, I know you're at work, but I just wanted to tell you that I love you so much and I hope you're having a great day. Mwah.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog.
His dog was just casually watching Netflix and his owner just came and disturbed him. This dog is done with everything. Done with these games, done with life, just done.
No one cared who I was till I put on the mask.
If I pull that off, will you die?
It would be extremely painful.
What are you doing here? The movie's over.
It's over. Go home.
Look out, I think Moto likes you.
Let's go! I'm tired.
So here's your problem. You're a gamer.
Hey, how you doing today? I got you for speeding. Do you have your license and registration?
No, I think you were speeding, sir.
You got me, man.
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning line. Louisiana Saturday.
لا كورة دكتور ندرك ايوه صح حضرتك
Mom, can we get another dog, please? Yes, we already have 2. Great, a 3rd will be awesome. What? I said yes. I know, you rock. What is happening? Go ahead and get it. I love you. Aw, I love you too. I am so excited. Emily, Mom.